Today we're taking a look at the Decina Cosmo Freestanding Bath. Perfect for bathrooms with tighter space requirements, the Cosmo sits at just 1300mm in length. Designed with an increased internal depth that allows you to soak fully immersed, recreating a Japanese-style soaking experience. The Cosmo's raised backrest allows for total lumbar support, while also giving this bath a traditional slipper-style aesthetic. The reduced internal surface area also means water temperature is maintained for longer, making for a more comfortable bathing experience. Constructed using sanitary-grade acrylic, the Cosmo is fitted with a full steel internal support frame for extra stability, and finished in a high-gloss white finish for a contemporary feel. The Decina Cosmo Freestanding Bath is the perfect space-saving, stylish bathtub for your next bathroom renovation. We'd love to help make your next project a blue space renovation, so give us a call today. For more information on our range of bathtubs, visit thebluespace.com.au.